Hi, writers. Today in writing is kind of a day for you. It is a day for you to work on whatever you need to work on in writing. However, if you think you are at the point where you are almost done or you're just finishing up, I'm going to show you what your next steps are. So today I'm going to teach you how, when you are done with your writing, how you check it over with a checklist. So I made a checklist for you guys to help you remember all that we learned in this informational writing unit because it was a lot. So when you finish a piece of writing, you want to pull up this checklist and review your writing several times to make sure you did all of these things. So first of all, you can now do a cover page, and I want your cover page to include your book title, make it creative, your name, and a picture. Again, our pictures and text features need to be meaningful and purposeful. You need to have a table of contents. You need to have text features. Please make sure you have one on each slide. Again, make sure they're meaningful and purposeful. You can also now complete your About the Author slide. You have your introduction. You have your different chapters. Some of you have 3 chapters. Some of you have 7. Whatever you think is appropriate for your book. You need your conclusion. And on all your slides, of course, we need proper capitalization, proper punctuation and paragraphs. We need to have transition words. You need to have a balance of facts and ideas. You need to have lots of details, as we discussed. You need to make sure you address the audience. You need to have revised to make sure your writing is clear. And I always like to make my chapter titles a little bit spicy. So instead of saying equipment, make it fun. Excellent equipment you need for swimming. Make it something great that really makes the reader want to read your chapter. Okay? So what you all are going to do in writing is just use today to whatever you need to work on. Maybe you just need to continue working on your chapters. Maybe you're finishing up and ready to look at the checklist. If and only if you think you are done and have carefully looked over your writing with this checklist, you can then comment under the assignment that you are done. That way me and Mrs. Johnson can review your writing and set up a time to conference with you on it. Sound good? All right, use all the time you need today. You only need to write for 20 minutes, but if you want to write for more, go ahead. All right, off you go.